Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking Practice. I'm Mia. You know what happened to me yesterday?
What happened, Mia? Hi, everyone. I'm Leo.
I was taking photos in the park. Beautiful photos. Then suddenly, my phone died. No battery.
Oh, no. The worst feeling. Something similar happened to me. I was cooking dinner. Everything was perfect. Then Buddy started barking wildly.
Poor Leo. What was Buddy doing?
He saw a squirrel outside the window. He forgot about my cooking completely.
Oliver does the same thing. He knocks things over. No warning, just crash.
Pets are the best interruptions. Anyway, everyone, those little stories, they're today's topic.
Yes! Today we are talking about the past continuous and interrupted actions. This is so useful. Let's start.
But first, everyone, a quick message.
If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to English Speaking Practice. When you subscribe, you never miss a lesson.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please click the like button. It really helps us a lot. It takes 1 second.
And please share this with a friend or a family member. If they are learning English, they will love it too.
Learning with a friend is always better. Okay, now let's learn together.
So, today's topic is the past continuous, and specifically interrupted actions.
This is one of my favorite grammar points, and here's why. We use it every single day.
Yes! Every time you tell a story, you probably use this. I was doing something, then something else happened.
Exactly. It is the grammar of real life, of real stories.
And if you ever felt confused about was doing and did, today we will fix that.
Don't worry if this sounds hard right now. By the end, it will feel natural, we promise.
Let's do this, everyone.
Okay, first, what is the past continuous?
Great question. The past continuous means an action was in progress. It was happening. It was not finished.
For example, I was cooking. That means I started cooking, I was in the middle of cooking, I was not finished.
Think of it like a movie. The past continuous is the background scene. It is already playing.
I love that image, Mia. Yes, like a movie scene. The camera shows you something happening.
And then something interrupts. Something new happens. That is the past simple.
So we have 2 parts. Part 1, the background action, past continuous, I was cooking dinner.
Part 2, the interruption, past simple. The phone rang.
Together, I was cooking dinner when the phone rang.
Perfect! That is the full sentence. That is the pattern. Beautiful, right?
Very beautiful.
Okay, let's talk about how we make the past continuous. It's easy. 2 parts.
Part 1, was or were. We use was for I, he, she, it. We use were for you, we, they.
Part 2, the verb plus ing. Walk becomes walking. Cook becomes cooking. Sleep becomes sleeping.
So, I was walking, she was cooking, they were sleeping.
Let's say that together, everyone. Repeat after me. I was walking. Great job. Now, she was cooking. Perfect! You are doing so well.
And the word we use to connect the 2 parts is when, W-H-E-N.
When introduces the interruption, the thing that stopped the background action.
I was walking Buddy when it started to rain.
I love that example. Let's hear yours, Leo.
Yes, so last Saturday, I was walking Buddy in the park. It was a nice afternoon, very quiet.
Sounds lovely.
It was. Buddy was running, he was happy, I was listening to music. Everything was perfect.
And then?
Then it started to rain really hard. In 1 minute, we were completely wet.
Oh no!
Buddy didn't care. He loves rain, but I was not happy.
So the sentence is, I was walking Buddy when it started to rain.
Exactly. Two things. The background, walking Buddy, the interruption, rain.
Perfect real-life example. Okay, my story. Last week, I was visiting a beautiful neighborhood in my city. Very colorful buildings.
For photos?
Yes, I was taking photos of everything. The walls, the doors, the flowers. I was really focused.
I can picture that.
And then my phone died. 0 battery, just like I said at the beginning.
Oh, so the sentence is, Mia was taking photos when her phone died.
Exactly. And I was so sad. Such beautiful light.
Ah, that hurts when the moment is perfect and technology fails.
Always. But now I always carry a power bank. Lesson learned.
Everyone, let's learn a great word. The word is interrupt. Say it with me. Interrupt. Interrupt means to stop something that is happening, to break it.
The phone interrupts your dinner. The rain interrupts your walk.
A noise interrupts your sleep. Sorry to interrupt. We say this when we stop someone speaking.
That's a great phrase for everyday English. Sorry to interrupt, but...
Very polite, very useful.
Our next word is suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly.
Suddenly means something happens very fast, with no warning. You didn't expect it.
I was sleeping. Suddenly, Oliver jumped on my face.
Classic cat move.
Classic Oliver. But yes, suddenly shows the interruption came fast.
You can also say all of a sudden. Same meaning. All of a sudden, it started raining.
Both are very common, very natural.
Okay, everyone, let's pause for a moment. Let's remember what we have learned so far.
First, past continuous equals was, were, plus verb-ing. It shows an action in progress.
Second, we use it with the past simple to show an interruption.
Third, the connecting word is when.
The pattern is, I was doing something when something happened.
Are you following? If this is new to you, that is completely okay. Listen again. Our episodes are always here for you.
And we're going to practice more right now. Keep going, everyone. You are doing great.
Let's make more sentences together. I will give the background. Leo gives the interruption.
Fun. Let's go.
She was reading a book.
When her friend called.
Perfect. We were watching a movie.
When the electricity went off.
Oh, that is a painful one. Everyone knows that feeling.
Yes, every time. The best part of the movie. And then, darkness.
Okay, one more. They were having dinner.
When the fire alarm started.
Excellent. See, everyone? You can build these sentences easily.
Let's learn our third word, meanwhile. Meanwhile.
Meanwhile means at the same time. Two things happening together.
I was cooking. Meanwhile, Buddy was sleeping on the sofa.
Two background actions, both in progress, at the same time.
Meanwhile connects them. It is a very useful word for telling stories.
You will hear it a lot in books, movies, and news. Meanwhile, in another city.
Very cinematic.
Okay, everyone, watch out for this. This is a very common mistake.
Yes, many learners say, I was cook dinner, but that is not correct.
We need the ing. I was cooking dinner. Don't forget the ing.
Also, some learners use past continuous for a finished action. but we don't do that.
If the action is finished and complete, use past simple. I cooked dinner. Done. Finished.
If it was in progress, use past continuous. I was cooking dinner. Still happening.
This feels confusing now, but with practice, it becomes automatic. Trust us.
And here is a good trick. Ask yourself, was the action finished or was it in progress?
That's a great question to ask yourself, Leo. Simple and effective.
Our next word is background. Background.
Background means what is happening in the back, the scene behind the main action.
In a photo, the background is what you see behind the main subject.
In grammar, the background action is the past continuous. It is already happening.
I was cooking, that is the background. The phone rang, that is the new action.
Think of it like this. The background is the stage. The interruption is the actor who walks on.
Oh, I really like that. The stage and the actor.
Our last vocabulary word is short but powerful. While. W-H-I-L-E. While.
While is very similar to when, but slightly different. Both connect two actions.
While emphasizes that two actions happened at the same time, in parallel.
While I was cooking, Buddy was sleeping. Both actions happening together.
When I was cooking, the phone rang. The phone rings once, it interrupts.
So while equals two continuing actions, when equals one action, one interruption.
Don't stress about the difference right now. Use when first. You will feel while naturally later.
Okay, everyone, let's remember what we talked about today.
Yes, let's review. This is important.
Point 1. Past continuous shows an action in progress in the past. It was not finished.
Point 2. We form it with was or were plus the verb and ing. I was sleeping.
Point 3. We use it with the past simple to show an interruption, something that stopped the action.
Point 4. The word when connects the two parts. I was sleeping when the alarm rang.
Point 5. Suddenly and all of a sudden help describe interruptions. They show surprise.
Point 6. Meanwhile connects two background actions happening at the same time.
Point 7. While can replace when two continuous actions happen together.
7 points. That is a lot. You learned a lot today. Be proud of yourself.
Really, great work, everyone.
And let's remember our 5 vocabulary words from today.
Word 1, interrupt, to stop something that is happening.
Word 2, suddenly. Something happens fast with no warning.
Word 3, meanwhile, two things happening at the same time.
Word 4, background. The action already in progress, the scene behind.
Word 5, while, connecting two actions that happen in parallel.
Beautiful words, all very useful for storytelling.
Okay, everyone, we have a challenge for you this week.
Yes, the challenge is simple. Think of one thing that happened to you this week.
Something interrupted you. What were you doing? What happened?
Write one sentence, just one. I was doing something when something happened.
For example, I was eating breakfast when my friend called.
Or I was watching a video when the internet stopped.
Very easy, very real. Try it today.
And now our question for you. We love this part.
We want to know, what were you doing when something interrupted you this week?
Write your answer in the comments below. Use the past continuous. I was when?
It doesn't have to be long. One sentence is perfect. 2 sentences is amazing.
Don't worry about mistakes. We love seeing your answers. Your English is getting better every day.
We read every comment. We are always here. Before we go, everyone, a big thank you for listening today.
Big thank you. If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English Speaking Practice. New lessons every week.
And click the like button. It helps us reach more learners around the world.
And please share this with a friend. Send it to someone who is learning English. Together, we can all grow.
Let's build a big, warm community of English learners together.
We love you all. Thank you for being here.
Okay, everyone, that is all for today. You were amazing.
Next time, we will have another fun and useful lesson for you, so come back soon.
Until then, keep practicing. Even one sentence a day makes a big difference.
I'm Mia. Bye, everyone.
And I'm Leo. Goodbye. Take care.